Welcome guys. I wanted to get a quick interview in here. I'm down here at Magnolia at our lease, trying to fill a late season doe tag. It's been a good season, to say the least. It started out slow. Well, I shouldn't say that. I got a doe out of the same stand opening day. I saw some nice bucks off in the distance from this stand, but never could get them to come in. This is a good spot to see does and yearlings, and that's what I'm kind of after tonight, just to fill that last doe tag. So I'm hoping we can get a doe on film. It's January 8th. We got a 15-mile-an-hour southwest wind. It's going to turn west here in about an hour. We got some rain coming in too, so I don't know, hopefully I can keep the camera dry, but like I said, it's been a pretty good season. I've been blessed. Got that opening day doe with a compound bow. On the other side of the street I got a nice doe November 3rd with a crossbow. And then we got into rut. Didn't see a whole lot of activity like I'd like to have. Zach ended up getting his buck on November 23rd, and he got a nice one. That was youth season, so I got mine about a week later. I think it was November 26th, if I'm not mistaken. Let me look here. November 23rd. Zach got his on November 17th. So we got them about a week apart. We got those back in Maslin at our home back there. So we've been seeing a lot of deer this year. I think about every sit this year I've seen at least one or two deer. So it's been a good year. So hopefully we got the muzzleloader out tonight, the bang stick up here behind me. Never killed a deer with a muzzleloader, so I'm hoping to say I got one with every weapon this year. I got one with a 20 gauge shotgun, about the third day of gun season. Got a couple with a crossbow, a couple with a compound bow, so we're going after one with a muzzleloader tonight, so we'll see if we can get it done. Stay tuned. Alright guys, normally it would be deer 30 right about now. It's about 3:30. Again, it's 62 degrees out today. We got high winds, swirling winds, and a big thunderstorm getting ready to hit us. It's January 8th, 2019, and we got thunderstorms in the forecast. This is crazy weather. I got my light season gear on. I have literally a light sweatshirt and my ScentLock suit on, so I've never seen anything like this in January. I don't know if the warm weather is going to keep the deer in tonight, and when I got here there was a guy riding around on a four-wheeler, so I don't know if that spooked the deer, if he was hunting this morning back in this bedding area, but I'm hoping we can get a doe to come out tonight, get some good video of her, and I can put her down with the old Thompson Center back here. So I don't know, we'll see. Stay tuned. This is some of the craziest weather I've ever hunted in. It's I about just got blown out of the tree. I'm not even kidding. I'm thinking about seriously getting down. It's so windy. It's just swirling too. It's just crazy. I've never seen anything like this.
Sure.
Well, I had these 2 yearlings I was videotaping beside me here, as you've seen. And then I had a doe come out in the field, about 65 yards. So the yearlings saw me and they started blowing. As you've seen, the doe kind of reacted. She came down to kind of see what they were blowing at. I estimate she was about 65 yards away. I shot. You've seen her drop. So I'm gonna get down and go up on the top of the hill there and look for some blood and see what I can see before it gets too dark here. So stay tuned. We gave her overnight because I never saw her fall. So I got my buddy here, my main buddy Zach. He's gonna help me try to locate this deer. I couldn't find any blood last night, so I decided to back out. And I'm hoping that we can, after watching the video, we saw which direction she went. It looked like a good hit. I confirmed with a couple of buddies, and I'm hoping we can just kind of walk in the woods there and do a little grid search and find her. I don't think we're going to find any blood because it's now rained, and as you see, we were at 62 degrees yesterday. Today, we're at 28 degrees. So hopefully we can find this deer and get her loaded up. Stay tuned. Okay guys, we found her. She went about 30 or 40 yards into the woods. I'm happy this is my first muzzleloader kill. It's almost 24 hours later, but hey, we found her, and it's been cold, so I think she'll be okay. So I'm really tickled here to be tagged out in Ohio this year, 2018-19 season. So blessed. Thank you.